Hello, I'm Jack, I'm from Gozney, and today I am introducing Tread, the world's most portable pizza oven. Tread is a hyper-rugged, ultra-portable and lightweight oven designed for adventure. With Tread, you can enjoy amazing pizza, high-temperature cooking in places you never thought possible. Let's take a look at the features and benefits of the oven. Starting at the front of the oven, we have a low-profile flue system, which reduces the emissions coming out of the front of the oven. Tread has built-in carry handles for ease of portability, allowing the user to maneuver with ease. Tread is hyper-rugged with its ceramic top shell, making it durable and easy to clean. Integrated in the side of the oven unit, Tread benefits from a thermometer, which is calibrated to read between the air temperature and the deck temperature. A question that I ask myself is, what's quicker, the heat up time and cool down time of Tread, or me? Moving to the back of the oven, Tread benefits from an integrated hose tidy, which is super convenient when stowing away the oven. For convenience when storing your oven, like Dome and Arc, Tread benefits from a quick release gas hose. With Tread, igniting your oven has never been easier with its integrated quick start electric ignition. 14 kilograms, 30 pounds, 33% lighter than Rockbox. When we talk about portability, there is nothing more portable than Tread. Tread benefits from a 12mm cordiorite stone, which is fixed yet replaceable by removing these 4 screws here. Like the Arc family, Tread features our revolutionary lateral gas burner, delivering a large yellow rolling flame mimicking that of a wood fire. Alongside Tread is a family of accessories that we have designed to accompany the oven unit. Starting at the top of the oven, we have a roof rack, which comes with an interchangeable serving board and a spot to place your hot pan. Turn-based check or rest your food with this detachable mantle, which extends the usable floor space. Cook on your Tread in any location with Tread Venture Stand. This has been designed with 4 independent legs to create stability on uneven surfaces. Venture placement peel and venture turning peel. This has been designed off of the Gozney Pro peel, just with a shorter handle. Similarly, this has been designed off our Gozney utility turning peel, again with a shorter handle to enable you to fit both peels within the carry bag. Here we have the carry bag, a lightweight and durable vessel to carry your oven and accessories. I think it's important to say that different to our existing oven families, Tread unlocks a new customer type for us, targeting new communities and helping to change the way the world cooks outdoors. If you have any questions or queries, please feel free to reach out to your regional territory manager. I've been Jack, you've been great. That's been Tread. Until next time, peace.